Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ghaneva Edge, where we are all about leveling up in business and personal development. Today episode we are going to be talking about how to sign up on 1688. Now signing up on 1688, there are a lot very more challenges on the app, and here we are going to address it. So let's start from the scratch on how to sign up on the app. This will appear when you log into the app. Now, this means there are terms and conditions before signing up on the app. Now, you translate them, understand them, read them, then it's either you agree to them or you disagree to them. So, we agree to them, and this will appear on our screen. So you would need to click on the small circle in there where I've translated and circled in orange. You click there where I've circled, you click there, and you also click on your Alipay sign where I've circled in red. Then after that, you click where there is big orange there. It will lead you to here, tell you to confirm and log in to your Alipay, which means you are linking your Alipay to the 1680 app so you can pay through the Alipay. So you click on confirm and login, but first you need to create an Alipay account. So I have another video that will explain details on how to create Alipay account. Now click on confirm and login. Here is where it will get you to. So when it gets you to this place, all that you need to do is just input your contact. So log into Taba account and bind with Alipay. When I translated it, that's what it gave. So plus 86 is Chinese contact, their code. So you are any country you are in, you need to get your country code before you can input your contacts there. So I'm in Ghana, I will input +233 there. So you will press on where I've circled down below there. I've circled a little one there. So you will press there. Now here is where I'm talking about. Yeah, when you press there, then you click, you will find +233. That's I'm in Ghana, and wherever you are, you choose your country code where I've circled in pink. Then I'll input my contacts there. Then I will continue with the verification. So I need to input a different one because I'm already having an account with that number. So I input a new one, then you will click this place to send you verification code so you can input and verify your account. They'll send you SMS to that number, then you input that code they will send to your number there. So this is the common traffic that can happen on the app. You just scroll to that side, it's showing you to scroll there, then you continue with your sign up. So I just scroll it to that side, then we continue. This is a puzzle it is telling me to solve. So you can either get this or you can skip that. It all depends on the phone that you are using. So what I'm doing here, you can get the exact thing or you can get a different thing. You should know we are all using different phones, and what I'll get here you might not get the same here. So what you do here is you will just scroll to solve the puzzle. After that, you click on send verification code to this number, and this thing keeps appearing and you still solve it. You shouldn't give up. So I'm still solving it here. Let's solve it. Yeah, so I've passed the puzzle. Now you will tell them to bring, so you see there is seconds counting, then yeah, ta-da, my code is sent to me. So I'll just input my code in there. That's the code I got. Then you click continue. So it's loading. So you will get to a place here, they will tell you to agree. When you translate, then you have already bound to another account, meaning I've already bound my account, my Alipay account with 1688, and now I'm creating a different 1688 account, and they are telling me I've already banded my Alipay account with a different account. So they are telling me, do I want to still bind my Alipay to another 1688 account? And I confirmed it. So we will continue from here. Now, after confirming, let's wait so it loads up. The network is slow. So where I've circled in pink, I confirmed it. After confirming, this appeared, meaning it's loading. So they are telling me to send another verification code here. So that's my number there, the number I used to sign up. Now let's translate what this is saying. It says get verification code. Next step, switch in other validation methods. So I'm not switching, I'm getting the verification code. So I've circled in pink and the verification code is sent to me. Now I will input the verification code in it, then I continue my process from there. So it's loading the verification code. Now my account has been created. Now I have a 1688 account. So getting a 1688 account, don't think is that easy. So I've gotten the account now, and this shows that I have the account TB8645870226. That will show if you have gotten the account. If you are done with this and you haven't gotten this, then it means that you still haven't gotten an account. So you should do something about it. Getting this means that you now have the account. So this is how to get 1688 personal account on your phone. It is easy but very, very confusing. Now, every step that I went through here, you might not get the same thing on your phone. You should take note of that. You might not get the same thing on your phone. If you don't get the same thing, just tell me in our Telegram page, then I will respond your comments right there. So let's explore it. Yes, this is it. This is how. So we have circled in pink. That's the setting button. We can change our payments, password, and many other things that we will explore on the channel. Now we are binding our account. We've already bounded, but we are just see says binding account, binding Alipay accounts, or you want to change your Alipay account number. Now we are binding it well so we can pay our suppliers on the app. Now when you get this green sign I've circled, this means that you've been able to successfully bound your 1688 and Alipay. So the Alipays are used, the Alipay's apps, they are used to pay the suppliers, and the 1688 we bind the things there. Now this means you've successfully bounded your Alipay account, and this is what will show when you have a successful. Now, these are the ways that you can sign up on the app. If you find this video helping, please do what to like this video and please subscribe and be part of the family. Thank you all for my subscribers. I appreciate you all. If you want to know how to translate everything on 1688 app, then you should watch this video. Thank you all for watching. Please do well to join our Telegram and WhatsApp pages because suppliers content are already there. So do well to join us. Thank you all for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay focused. Bye.